Such a hot day. Feels like I am going to melt anytime soon. Let's plug this in. Better. But not enough. Better. But not enough. Let's try this. Have you ever wondered where your electricity comes from? Let's answer that by first understanding what energy is. Energy can be divided into two types: potential and kinetic. Potential energy is the energy that is stored due to its position, properties, and forces acting on it. Common examples are gravitational, elastic, and electrical. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion or movement. Some examples are electrical, heat, and sound. You may notice that I used electricity as example twice. And you are correct. That's because energy can be stored or moved. Electricity in a battery or storage is potential energy. But when it's flowing as electric current, it's kinetic energy. But what happens after that? It transforms into mechanical energy to rotate the blades of the fan. That is the first law of thermodynamics. Energy can be converted from one form to another, but cannot be created or destroyed. In this example, electricity turns into mechanical energy and turns into airflow. So now, we have to find out what happens before all these. What energy transformed into the electrical energy that we use? Common types of energy production are coal, natural gas, hydro, wind, solar, and nuclear. We will only discuss a few common types. First are coal and natural gas, because they are pretty similar. We introduce coal to a boiler that burns them to produce steam. The steam travels to spin the turbine that is connected to a generator. In this example, potential energy from the coal plus thermal energy from the boiler turns into thermal energy, which has kinetic energy. This rotates the steam turbine, and the generator converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy. Natural gas is the same, just different starting ingredient. Hydroelectricity power generation starts with a dam with reservoirs that store water. It uses water's natural flow to turn the blades of the turbine, connecting to a generator. So the potential energy of water turns into kinetic energy, further spinning the turbine, turning into mechanical energy. Last step is the generator converting this mechanical energy to electrical energy. Once that is done, the electricity is sent through electrical grid to be used for home and businesses. Now to answer our question, where does our electricity come from? Here is a complete illustration. From the thermal and potential energy of burning coal, to thermal and kinetic energy of steam, to mechanical energy of the spinning turbine, to the generator converting it to electrical energy, to the fan motor turning it into mechanical energy, making the blades turning it into airflow. And that is how we get electricity to power our wonderful inventions. Hope we all learned a thing or two today. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to Pico. Bye.